Introduction. The central themes of this book is to learn how to solve problem by writing a program. Writing a program हो गया writing a programs. Writing a program. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device that store and process data. The store and process data हो गया. The store and process data. The store and process data हो गया. The store and process data. The store and process data. Central processing unit. Central processing unit is a computer brains. Central processing unit क्या हो गया? Computer brain हो गया central processing unit. Central processing unit is the computer brain full stop. It retrieve instruction from memory and execute him full stop. The CPU usually has two component, a control unit and in arithmetic and logic unit full stop. The control unit control and coordinate the action of the other component. Action of the other component full stop. The arithmetic logic unit perform numeric operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and logical operation हो गया logical operation bits and bytes. Bits and byte हो गया. Minimum storage unit in a computer is a byte. Minimum storage unit in a computer is byte. Minimum storage unit is byte. A byte is composed of the 8 bits. A small number such as 3 can be stored as a single byte. Can be stored as a single byte to full stop to store a number that cannot fit into a single byte. The computers usually cervical byte हो गया. Memory computer memory consists of an ordered sequence of byte for storing program as well as data that the program is working with. Program is working with storage device. A memory. A computer memory is a volatile form of data storage. Volatile form of the data storage. Any information that has been stored in memory is lost when the system power is turned off. Full stop. Power and data are permanently stored on storage device and move when the computer actually use him to memory, which operate at much faster speed than permanent storage device can. Permanent storage device can हो गया. There are three main type of storage device: magnetic disk device, optical disk drive, USB flash drive. USB flash drive are device for operating a medium such as a disk and CD. Disk a computer usually has at least one hard disk drive. Full stop. Hard disk are used for permanently storing data and a program. Full stop. Permanently storing data and programs. CD and DVD. CD stand for compact disc. Full stop. There are two type of CD drives: CDR and CDRW. CDRW. USB flash drive. हो गया. USB flash drive. Universal serial bus. USB हो गया. Universal serial bus. USB क्या हो गया? Universal serial bus connector allow the user to attach many kind of peripheral device to the computer. Full stop. You can use a USB to connect a printer, digital camera, mouse, external hard disk drive and other device to the computer. Full stop. A USB flash drive is a device for storing and storing and transporting data full stop. A flash drive is small, about the size of the pick of gum peak of gam peak of gam. It is likely a portable hard drive that hard drive that can be plugged into your computer USB port. Full stop. USB flash drive are currently available within up to 256 GB storage capacity. 256 GB storage capacity. Input and output device input and output device let the user communicate with the computer. Full stop. The most common input device are keyboard and mix keyboards keyboard and mix हो गया keyboard and mix हो गया. Modifier. The mouse is a pointing device. A mouse is a pointing device. Full stop. It is used to move a graphical pointer, usually in the shape of in a narrow called in a cursor, around the screen, or in click on the screen object. Click on the screen object of the monitor display information, text and graphics. Full stop. The screen resolution and dot pitch determine the quality of the display. हो गया. The screen resolution specific the number of pixel in horizontal and vertical dimension of the display device. Full stop. Pixel short for picture element. Picture element are tin dot that form in image on the screen. Full stop. A common resolution for a 17-inch screen. A common resolution for a 17-inch screen, for example, is 1024 pixel wide and 768 pixel of high. Full stop. The resolution can be set manually. Full stop. The higher the resolution, the sharp and cleaner the image. The dot pitch is the amount of space between the pixel measured in the millimeter. Full stop. The smaller the dot pitch, the shape of the display. Communication device हो गया. Communication. NIC. Network interface card हो गया. Common device. Computer can be networked through communication device such as a dial-up modem. Modulator, demodulator has a DSL or cable modem, a wire network interface card, or a wireless adapter. A dial-up modem used in a phone line and can transfer data at a speed up to 56 bps beats per second हो गया. A digital subscriber line connection also used in a standard phone line, but it can transfer data beats time faster than in a standard dial-up modem. हो गया. A cable modem use the cable TV line maintained by the cable company and is generally faster than DSL. A network interface card हो गया. A network interface card is a device that connect a computer to a local area network. LAN are commonly used in a university, business and government agency. हो गया. Government agency. Programming language हो गया. Computer program known as software as an instruction that tell a computer what to do. Machine language. A computer native language. Native language which difference among different type of computer. It is a machine language. A set of the built-in primitive instruction set of the primitive instruction. Assembly language. A program in machine language is a radius process. Full stop. Moreover, program written in machine language are very difficult to read and modify. Full stop. For this reason, assembly language was create in the early day of the communicating has in alternative to machine language. Full stop. Assembly language uses short descriptive word known as numerics. Source descriptive word known as numerics to represent each of the machine language instruction. Full stop. For example, the mnemonics add typically meaning to add number and sub mean to subtract number. Full stop. To add the number 2 and 3 and set the result you might write in the instruction assembly code. Assembly code हो गया. Assembly code high level language. In the 1950 a new generation of programming language known as high level language. High level language, they are platform independent, which mean that you can be write a program in a high level language and run in a different type of machine. Different type of machine हो गया. Different type of machine is a different type of machine हो गया. Popular high level programming language. Popular high level programming language ADA. ADA basic C, C++, C sharp, SH sharp, C sharps. Pronounce C sharp. It is hybrid of Java. Hybrid of Java and C++, and also developed by Microsoft. Also developed by Microsoft. COBOL, common business oriented language used for the business application. Fortran, Fortran, Java, Pascal, Python or Visual Basic. Visual Basic, Python, a simple journal purpose scripting language good for writing short program. Good for writing short program. Okay, good for writing short program. Good for writing short program. Good for writing short program. Operating system. Operating system is the most important program that run on a computer. Run on a computer. The popular operating system for general purpose computer are software window. Software window MAC, Mac OS. Mac OS and Linux. Linux full stop application programs such as web browser or in word processor cannot run unless or in operating system is installed and running on the computer. Running on the computer again. Running on the computer. Major tasks of the operating system are major controlling and monitoring the activity, allocating and assigning system resource हो गया. scheduling operation. Scheduling operation हो गया. Scheduling operation हो गया. The OS is responsible for scheduling program. OS is responsible for scheduling program activity to make efficient use of the system resource. Full stop. Many of today operating system supports such as a technique as a multi-programming, multi-threading and multi-processing to increase system performance. Full stop. Multi-programming. Multi-programming allow multiple program to run simultaneously by sharing the same CPU. By sharing the same CPU. Full stop. The CPU is much faster than of the computer other component. Full stop. Has a result. It is idle most of the time. For example, while waiting for data to be transferred from a disk or waiting for other system response resource to respond. Full stop. A multi-programming OS हो गया. Multi-programming OS take advantage of this stimulation by allowing multiple program to use as a CPU when it would otherwise be idle. For example, multi-programming enable use to use a word processor to edit a file at the same time as your web browser is downloading a file. हो गया. Downloading a file. History of the Python. Python is a general purpose interpreted object programming language. Python is a general purpose interpret object programming language. Python was created by Godot and Rossum in the Netherlands in 1990 and it was named after the popular British comedian Tropy Tropy Monty Python Flying Crisis. Full stop. Crisis when Rossum developed Python as a hobby. And Python has become a popular Python has become a popular programming language wide use in industry and academia due to its simple coherence and intuitive हो गया coherence and intuitive system extensive library. Python is a general purpose programming language. Python is a general purpose programming language. Python is a general purpose programming language.